Hello there. Hi, welcome to the sun and energy resources. So most of the energy on Earth comes from the sun. The diagram below shows how we can always trace energy resources back to the energy from the sun. So for example, solar panels, they absorb energy and use it to heat water, for example. So when the sun hits the solar panels, the chemicals in the solar panels create energy. So we have what we call solar cells in calculators. So our calculators, some of our calculators actually work through solar cells. We also have heat that is absorbed by the atmosphere and causes winds, which can be used to turn wind turbines and produce electrical energy. We have the sun, whereby the heat absorbs water vapor from the oceans, which then falls as rain onto the land. As water rushes down from dams, it can be used to turn turbines, which produce electricity. Plants trap light energy from the sun and store it in food. So, for example, we have energy that we get from food. Wood can be burnt as a fuel, and fossil fuels form over millions of years, and they also trap light energy and store it within themselves over many years as well. Okay, so the sun is a very powerful resource that we have, and is part of what we call renewable energy. So have a read of this again and answer the questions, and we'll follow these up in our next class. Good luck.